Hello and welcome to number 2 in my quick chord series. Today we're going to be taking a look at D major. Now, if you're not quite familiar with the fretboard yet and you're still trying to learn which strings are which and which frets are what, then do take a look at the video that I've linked above. That just details the anatomy of the fretboard a little bit, just for basics 101, just to get you started so that you can start playing chords. Otherwise, if you are quite comfortable with the fretboard, then you're in the right place, we're ready to go. Okay, so diving in close to the fretboard, and I will have it displayed on screen as well, so it's a bit easy for you guys to make out what's happening. We'll take a look at how we build the D chord. So you want to have 3 fingers for this, and we're going to play it across 2 frets. We're going to use fret 2 and fret number 3. Okay, so first of all, you want to take your index finger, that's going to go on fret 2, and we're going to go on string 1, 2, string number 3, right there. Then we're going to take our middle finger. That is also on fret 2, but we're going to have that on string number 1. And last of all, you want to take your ring finger. That's going to go fret number 3 on string number 2. Okay? And you want to play the first 4 strings. So string 1, 2, 3, 4. So just strings 1, 2, 3, 4. We are completely ignoring string 5 and completely ignoring string 6. You just want to play from 4 down. That's how you play D major. Now once you've got that nailed, I do recommend that you just watch a few of the other videos in this playlist. I'll show you a few more key chords that we want to be learning at these early stages in our career. Thank you so much for watching. Do hope that was useful. See you later.